Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we want to explore the square root of decimal numbers. We have the square root of 24.01. So we have 24.01. Now the square root closest to 24 is 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. So we write 4 and we write 4 here. So we have 4 times 4, 16, and when we subtract 24 minus 16, we have 8. We bring down our 0 and 1, the decimal point here. Twice of 4, that's 4 times 2, we have 8. Now the multiples of 8 that is closest to 8 is 72, and 8 times what to give us 72, that's 9. We have 9, and we have 9 here. 89 times 9, we have 801. So let's repeat the same procedure here. We have square root of 38.44. So we have 38.44. The closest square root is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. So we write 6 here. 6 times 6, we have 36. When we subtract, we have 2. We bring down our 4 here. Then we put a decimal number here. Twice of 6 is 12. So 24 divided by 12, we have 2. So we have 2 here. We have 122 times 2, which is 244. So when we subtract, we have 0, 0. So the answer is 6.2.